Hello students, in previous video we have seen dot product and matrix multiplication. In this video we are going to see some examples on dot product and matrix multiplication. Let us take first example. Let A is equals to matrix 3 minus 2 1 2 4 1 1 0 minus 2 and B is equals to matrix minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 2. Compute the 2, 2 entry of product AB. See here what we have given. Matrix A and B are given. We have to compute 2, 2th entry of product AB. For this purpose, if AB is equals to matrix C, then 2, 2th entry of AB is obviously C2, which is nothing but second row of A into second column of B. Therefore, C22 or which is equals to 2th entry of AB is nothing but we have to multiply corresponding entries of second row of A and second column of B and add them. Second row of A is 2 4 1 into second column of B is 3 1 2. So multiply corresponding entries. 2 into 3 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 into 2, which is equals to 6 plus 4 plus 2, which is equals to 12. Hence 2th entry of AB is 12. Let us take second example. Let A is equals to matrix X minus 1 2 3 4 5 minus 1 2 1 and B is equals to matrix minus 1 y 4. If A into B is equals to matrix 16 minus 3 5, find X and Y. Find X and Y. See here, we have given matrix A and product matrix AB. Then we have to find X and Y. First we compute product matrix A into A and B. Matrix A is X minus 1 2 3 4 5 minus 1 2 1 into B minus matrix minus 1 y 4, which is equals to matrix minus X minus Y plus 2 into 4 is 8. Second row is minus 3 plus 4y plus 20 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 into y plus 4, which is equals to, in problem we have given that but AB is equal to 16 minus matrix 16 minus 3 5. Therefore matrix minus x minus y plus 8, or directly we can say that minus x minus y plus 8 is equal to 16, because these two matrices are equal. Minus 3 plus 4y plus 20 is equal to minus 3. 1 plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 5. Now we will solve this. Now from last equation, what we get from last equation? 1 plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 5. That implies 2y 1 plus 4 is 5, which is equal to 5. That implies 2y is equal to, sorry, here is minus 5. 2y is equal to minus 5 minus 5. There, that implies 2y is equal to minus 10. That implies y is equal to minus 5. Suppose I call this as equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. Substitute value of y is equals to minus 5 in equation 1. We get minus x. What is y is equals to minus 5? Minus into minus plus 5 plus 8 is equals to 60. Minus x plus 13 is equals to 60. That implies minus x is equals to 3. That implies x is equals to minus 3. Hence x is equals to minus 3 and y is equals to minus 5. Let us take example number 3. If A is equals to matrix Aij m by n matrix and B is equals to Bij n by P matrix, then jth column of the product AB is given by A multiplied by jth column of B. If A is equal to matrix minus 3 1 4 3 minus 1 2 and B is equal to matrix 3 4 5 minus 1 2 1, then compute second column of AB. Here A is equals to matrix Aij is an m by n matrix, means size of matrix A is m by n. B is equals to matrix Bij of size n by p. Then jth column of product AB is given by A multiplied by jth column of B. Here we have given matrix A and matrix B. Then we have to find second column of AB. Here matrix A is equals to matrix minus 3 1 4 3 minus 1 2. B is equals to matrix 3 4 5 minus 1 2 1. What we have to find here? Second column of AB. The second column of AB, second column of AB is A into second column, A into second column of B. Since jth column of AB is A multiplied by jth column of B, which is equals to, what is matrix A? Minus 3 1 4 3 minus 1 2 into 3 4 5 minus 1 2 1, which is equals to matrix. For first entry we have to multiply corresponding entries of first row of A into, here is only second column of B. What is second column of B? 4 2. For first entry we have to multiply corresponding entries of first row of A into second column of B, that is minus 3 into 4 plus 1 into 2. Second entry is 4 into 4 plus 3 into 2, and last entry is minus 1 into 4 plus 2 into 2, which is equals to minus 3 into 4 is minus 12 plus 2. Then next entry is 16 plus 6, and last entry is minus 4 plus 4, which is equals to minus 12 plus 2 minus 10, 16 plus 6 22, minus 4 plus 4 0. Hence second column of AB is minus matrix minus 10 22 0. Let us take note. Let U bar and V bar are n vectors. That is, size of U bar and V bar may be 1 by n or 1 by n. First, if U bar and V bar are n by 1 matrices, then U bar dot V bar is equal to U bar transpose dot V bar. See here, U bar and V bar are n by 1 matrices, that is, number of rows are n and number of columns are 1. Then U bar dot V bar is equals to U transpose bar dot V bar. We know that if we have to multiply, or if we have to find product of two matrices, that is A and B, then number of columns in A must be equal to number of rows in B. See here, size of U bar is n by 1 and size of V bar is also n by 1. If we take transpose of u bar, then its size becomes 1 by n. What is the size of u bar transpose? It is 1 by n. Transpose is nothing but interchanging of rows into columns and columns into rows respectively. Therefore, size of u bar transpose is 1 by n and v bar size of v bar is n by 1. Here number of rows in u bar transpose is equals to number of columns in u bar transpose is equals to number of rows in v bar. Therefore, u bar dot v bar is equals to u bar transpose into v bar. Second note is, if u bar and v bar are 1 by n matrices, then u bar dot v bar is equals to u bar dot v bar transpose. And last is, if u bar is 1 by n matrix and v bar is n by 1 matrix, then u bar dot v bar is equals to u bar into v bar. Let us take next example. Example 4. Let u bar is equals to matrix 2, 1, 3 and v bar is equals to matrix -1, 2, 4. Then find u bar dot v bar. Here what we have given, u bar and v bar are given. We have to find u bar dot v bar. U bar dot v bar is equals to matrix 1, 2, 3 into, that is dot product, -1, 2, 4. We have to multiply corresponding entries of u bar and v bar and add them. 1 into -1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4, which is equals to -1 plus 4 plus 12, which is equals to here u bar is 2, 1, 3. So u bar dot v bar is equals to 2 into -1 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 4, which is equals to -2 plus 2 plus 12, which is equals to 12. Also, u bar transpose into v bar. What is u bar transpose? Transpose means interchanging of rows into columns and columns into rows. Therefore, u bar transpose is 2, 1, 3 into v bar. V bar is matrix -1, 2, 4, which is equals to -1 into 2, multiply corresponding entries and add them. -1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 4, which is equals to -2 plus 2 plus 12, which is equals to 12. As previous, we have seen one remark, that is u bar dot v bar is equals to u bar transpose v bar. Let us take next example. Example number 5. If matrix 4 minus 2 1 2 3 minus 1 plus matrix minus 3 1 2 4 5 0 is equals to matrix x y z a b c. Find values of x y z and a b c. See here what we have given. Matrix addition of two matrices is equals to this matrix. Then we have to find values of x y z and a b c. What we have given? Matrix 4 minus 2 1 2 3 minus 1 plus matrix minus 3 1 2 4 5 0 is equals to matrix x y z a b c. First we add these two matrices. For this we have to add corresponding entries, that is 4 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1, then add next entries 1 plus 2, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 5, minus 1 plus 0, which is equals to matrix x y z a b c. Therefore matrix 4 minus 3 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 1 plus 2 3 2 plus 4 6 3 plus 5 8 minus 1 plus 0 minus 1, which is equals to x y z a b, matrix x y z a b c. See here, these two matrices are equal. We know that two matrices are equal if corresponding entries are equal. Therefore x is equals to 1, y is equals to minus 1, z is equals to 3, a is equals to 6, b is equals to 8 and c is equals to minus 1. Let us take next example 6. Let a is equals to matrix 3 minus 1 2 4 3 1 minus 1 minus 2 1. Then compute 5i3 minus 8. See here what we have given. Matrix A is given, then we have to compute 5 into I3 minus 8. I3 is identity matrix of size 3 by 3. What is it? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here A is equals to matrix 3 minus 1 2 4 3 1 minus 1 minus 2 1. What we have to find? 5i3 minus 8. 5 into i3. I3 is nothing but identity matrix of size 3 by 3. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 minus a 3 minus 1 2 4 3 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 1. Multiply each entry of a by 5, which is nothing but 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5 minus 3 minus 1 2 4 3 1 minus 1 minus 2 1, which is equals to, see here, for subtraction we have to subtract 5 minus 3, that is 5 minus 3 is 2, 0 minus minus plus, which is plus 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 0 minus 4 minus 4, 5 minus 3, 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus minus plus, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 minus minus plus, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 5 minus 1 is 4. Hence 5I3 minus A is equal to this matrix. Take next example, example number 7. Let A is equal to matrix 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 4 3, 3 0 minus 2, and B is equal to matrix minus 3 2 1 4, minus 2 minus 1 5 11, 1 0 2 3. Find the first column of AB. Find the first column of AB and also the third column. Third column. In previous, we have seen that jth column of AB is nothing but A multiplied by jth column of B. Here what we have to find? First column of AB. The first column of AB is A into first column of B, which is equals to, what is A? A is matrix 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 4 3, 3 0 minus 2 into first column of B, minus 3 minus 2 1, which is equals to multiply corresponding entries of first row into first column of B for first entry of first column of AB. So 1 into minus 3 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 1, 2 into minus 3 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1, and last entry is 3 into minus 3 plus 0 into minus 2 is 0 plus minus 2 into 1, which is equals to minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. What is next entry? 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 3. This is 3 into minus 3 minus 9 plus 0 plus minus 2 into 1 minus 2, which is equals to minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Then minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3 minus 8, which is equals to minus 11, and the last entry is minus 11. Therefore, first column of AB is 0, minus 11, minus 11. Similarly, we can calculate third column of AB. Let us calculate third column of AB. The third column of AB is A into third column of B, which is equals to, what is matrix A? Matrix A is 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 4 3, 3 0 minus 2, and third column of B is 1 5 2. For first entry, multiply first row of A into third column of B. 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 5 plus minus 1 into 2. Next entry is 2 into 1 plus 4 into 5 plus 3 into 6. And last entry is 3 into 1 plus 0, 5 into 0, 0 plus minus 2 into 2, which is equals to 1 plus minus 2 into 5 is minus 10 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Second entry is 2 into 1, 2 plus 4 into 5, 20 plus 3 into 6, 18. Then next 3 into 1, 3 plus 0 plus minus 2 into 2 minus 4, which is equals to, here 3 into 2, which is 3 into 2 is 6, which is equals to 1 minus 10 minus 2 is minus 10 minus 2 minus 12 plus 1 minus 11. Then 2 plus 20 plus 6 is 28, and this is minus 1. Therefore, third column of AB is minus 11, 28, minus 1. Thank you.